Okay, so for the first example, we will try to find the coefficient of x to the power 22 in the expansion of bracket 1 minus 3x bracket times 1 plus 3x cubed to the power 10. Although this question may seem very difficult, it's actually very simple and it's only pseudo difficult. So in order to solve this question, we do not actually need to expand the entire term 1 plus x cubed to the power of 10, but instead all we need to do is to find the value of x to the power of 21, so that when multiplied with minus 3x will give you the coefficient of x to the power of 22. So to start off, we'll first find what the coefficient of x to the power of 21 in 1 plus x cubed to the power of 10 is. So starting from 1 plus x cubed to the power of 10, as we know that this is not a linear it's not linear and the maximum power is 3 instead of 2, we can employ the formula and we assume that x to the power of 21 is in the r plus 1 term. So with this, we use the formula n choose r times x n minus r times y r. So summing all the values into this equation, we have 10 choose r x cubed entire thing to the power of 10 minus r and y to the power of r. So expanding x, you have x to the power of 30 minus 3r. And since x21 is the term we are looking for, so we equivalent it to 30 minus 3r equals 21. Simplifying this, you get 9 equals 3r and r equals 3. So subbing this back into the equation just now, 10 choose 3 times bracket x3 to the power 7 times 1 to the power 3. And since it's 1, you can just ignore it. And keying these values into a calculator, 10 choose 3, you can see that it's equal to 120. So the coefficient of x to the power 21 is 120. And looking back at the question, they're asking you for the coefficient of x to the power 22 in this term, this really huge term. So all you need to do now is multiply minus 3, the coefficient of x, by 120, the coefficient of x21, and thus you can get your answer 120 times minus 3 equals minus 360. Voila.